Sit comfortably with your legs closed. Close your eyes and relax your shoulders. Focus on slow and deep breathing. This calms the mind and body. Lay on your stomach and bend your knees. Hold your ankles and gently lift your chest. Keep breathing normally. This pose strengthens the back, arm and legs. Slowly bend forward from your waist. Let your head and arm relax downward. Feel the stretch in your legs and back. Do not force the stretch. Place your hands and feet on the floor. Lift your hips upward, forming an inverted V shape. Stretch your arms and legs gently. This pose tones the full body. Kneel down and gently bend your body backward. Place your hands on your heels or lower back. Open your chest and breathe deeply. This pose helps tone the back and improve posture. Sit with your legs stretched. Place your hands behind your hips. Press your palms into the floor. Lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Keep your legs stretched and strong. Open your chest and breathe deeply. Hold for 10 seconds. Slowly lower down and relax. Thank you for practicing yoga with us. If you enjoyed this body toning yoga section, please like, share and subscribe to your channel. See you in the next video.